Alright, so I'm at the shoreline, and wow, the winds are really picked up here. We're getting sustained winds right now of 20 miles per hour, gusting to 27. So we're already nearing tropical storm force gusts, and I'm sure pretty soon the sustained winds will really start to pick up to around tropical storm force pretty soon as well. We're getting some decent white cap with the waves really crashing up against the rocks here. Flag flapping wildly, so that's nice. There's a lighthouse over there, and you can't really see New York City over there at all. Long Island's across the sound. Here's the Long Island Sound, and a lot of dark clouds over us. Bands of people really now. What we're worried about is the strong winds coming. So, something like this really maybe some isolated chances of some trees coming down, or at least tree branches. So, maybe watch out for some power outages in some areas, because that can always potentially happen, honestly, with these tropical systems. But yeah, this is still Tropical Storm Faye, fully tropical, sustained now 45 miles per hour. It's, weakened, of course, now that it's made landfall in New Jersey. Now the center is actually right over there, getting over New York City and moving up through upstate New York now. So it's just to the west of us, just like when Irene came over us. So kind of like a hybrid of Sandy and Irene in a way, just because it made landfall in a very similar place. Sandy made landfall right around Atlantic City, New Jersey, and the track it has coming up here is very, very similar to Irene, because Irene was also a strong tropical storm coming up right through the New York City area, where actually the center went right over New York City, just like so. The wind is really picking up now. I don't know if you can fully tell, but the white caps are really crashing up against the rocks here. This is insane. This is really crazy stuff. There's the American flag. You can see that. But honestly, it's great that we don't really have to worry about any rain with this, just because it would be so unbearable, really, if that was the case. So, just insanely awesome conditions. I'm loving this, really. It's fantastic. I don't think the Torcon level for my area here on the shoreline is at a 3 out of 10, so there was somewhat of a chance for really water spouts to form here. But I don't think that ever really happened, so not really a chance of that anymore. It's just really these kind of low, long clouds coming over us, but it's really just a strong wind that we're really worried about at this point. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if the sustained is a bit higher now, in fact, but yeah.